Hello everybody. Today we are machine washing Transit Connect 2019 diesel particulate filter. This is how it's being done in the machine. You can see. This is how the Dpf is fitted in the machine, connected to the pressurized hose. This is who we are. You can reach me on 07533636194 for your Dpf, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters. This is what we know. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. We will give you before and after test pressure results, so you'll know exactly how much your DPF was blocked and how much cleaned up. Thanks for watching.